welcome back to another episode, my loyal people. So today, I got something special. Last video, you already know I did the fender liners, or fender wells or whatnot in the Evo, and they came out fantastic. I swear, I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I feel like they just came out really, really good. So I'm gonna continue that trend today, and I'm gonna show you exactly before I pan over, and I'll show you exactly what I've been working on. But yeah, been at it for a little bit, so just enjoy a couple of these shots, and we'll continue from where we left off. So let's go. People, so hopefully you enjoyed my couple seconds there, but yeah, I do have a solid coat of primer on the engine bay. Everything is super smooth, so I'm very happy the way it's coming out so far. But yeah, I am going to continue on with the progress here. I'm going to start with the cowl up here and start to do my black spray paint, and yeah, we'll just go from there. Hopefully you guys don't you know, kill me because I'm using spray paint, but I know how to paint. Yeah, I wouldn't paint the whole car in spray paint, but I think I can do a really nice job with cans. So anyway, the plan is with this video, hopefully with this video, because right now I only have one can of paint, but I plan on going out and getting some more paint just so I can make sure I get everything kind of done. So the goal is to try to get at least 2 to 3 coats on here with at least 2 to 3 coats of clear as well, so that this bad boy can it'll have enough durability and you know, everything, you know, to make sure that it's gonna stay looking really nice. So everything should be good, but yeah, I got my can of spray paint over there, so yeah, let's get to work. All right, people, so don't want to turn it around. I got the snots, but yeah, this is my first coat. It actually looks really good. I just needed to let it dry. Well, I'm gonna let it dry before I go at it with at least 2 more coats. That I'll do. I'll actually do that off camera. I do have to go get more paint and a couple cans of clear. And yeah, we can start to look at how this project is gonna look, because actually I actually like it. I like it a lot. So I did the front here. I did both the frame rails on both sides because they were all scratched up. And I think I did the shock towers, and I did the cowl too. So as you can see, the cowl looks pretty decent. So yeah, I'm gonna set the heater up over here, and I'm gonna head to the store, go get more paint, and we can continue on with this project. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Okay, ladies and gentlefolk, so a couple coats of black on here, and it looks actually pretty damn good. But I will go at it and throw some of this Raptor It's the same stuff as the same stuff as the stuff I used inside the wheel wells. So it's supposed to be crystal clear, diamond clear, 5-time stuffer, UV resistant, high gloss finish. So yeah, again, not sponsored whatsoever. Bought this on my own dime, but hopefully it does make a difference in this engine bay. I mean, it does look like it's kind of got like a 50-50 finish here, but it does look good. But I want it to be like high gloss, super high gloss. So yeah, let's go ahead, set the camera up, and I'll do a coat, and we'll let it sit. And then I'll put on my Mr. Heater and let it bake in here. It is like 61 degrees inside of here, so it is really, really nice. So I'm very, very happy. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, people. Okay, so take my mask off here, even though it's crazy fumy in here. It did come out pretty good. So I'm gonna let this sit for, I don't know, at least a good solid day. I'm not really worried about overspray or anything like that down there, as long as the bay looks really, really good, really smooth. So you don't know this, but I did like 2 coats of black and 2 coats of clear. The first time I tried to actually get it on camera, yeah, my camera turned off. So I don't know if I just didn't press go or whatever the case is, but it just did not go. So yeah, tomorrow I will be I'll edit this video. I'll have the fire going. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this going. I think I might just leave this the way it is, because it's off right now. I think it's like it's like 61 in here right now. So I think it's good enough for this stuff to cure all by itself. So what I will do is put it up in the air and pull the Evo 10 in, because it's poor thing's been sitting out in the snow all day. So I probably got a good, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 inches on top of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this thing in the air, let it sit, and just relax the rest of the night. I have big plans tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes off without a hitch with the STI tomorrow. So I'm very, very, very happy about that. Super excited. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow before I go for the dyno, I will finish up this video. We'll see how this kind of came out, and we'll take it from there, you know? So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright everybody, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. It took me a good couple days to get everything painted, everything that I wanted to get painted done. So now in the following videos, we can now get the Evo motor, trans, and transfer case back in this bad boy, and we can start to move forward with assembly. This was a huge milestone for me. I've never really painted a bay before, so and I guess it doesn't kind of show because I'm okay with a paint gun. I've never actually painted a car before. I plastic dipped the car, terrible, but I plastic dipped the car before. But I don't think that this was really that bad. I think it was actually a learning experience, and it wasn't really that hard. It was just a pain to actually get done in a confined space like this with what I had. So I think I'm gonna leave this video off here. I have some stuff I got to get done today. If you guys paid attention in the last video, in this video, you guys know what's going on. But I gotta make sure I got to get some stuff done. And we can move on with our next thing that we got to do today. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in a couple days, people. Deuces.